Good morning, student of class 7. Today I will teach you English grammar. English grammar chapter number 4, noun and its kinds. So I have already told you common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Today we will study first material noun. Material noun, you understand, by the word it is clear. Material means by which thing, any things that are made. So what is material noun? A material noun denotes the matter or substance of which things are made. Suppose that table, of which thing table made? Wood or iron. Okay, building, more things are required. Okay, so like this, here this chain is made up of gold. Any chain, okay, that is made up of gold. So what is gold here? Material noun. This sack is made up of jute. Okay, like this. Now next exercise is related to one. I will tell you whether you have to do. I will give you also PDF to do. Fill in the blanks with the suitable material nouns using the words given in the box. First, try to avoid bags made up of. There are in the help box more 10, I think 10 or 12 words are there, 10 words. Okay, so which one suitable you have to. So what is the question? Try to avoid bags made up of. It's very clear what? Plastic, ear cotton, china clay, iron, plastic, steel, floor, wood, etc. Okay, so this building is made of. Okay, like this, do it. I will give you PDF. Okay, next one, abstract noun. Abstract noun, what is the noun which refers to the things that feel we feel only but cannot touch, like sadness. I am very sad today. So sad, I can feel only, not we can touch. Suppose that any person is very honest. So this one also abstract noun, but honest you can touch, no. So abstract noun, what? Only we can feel it. And so okay, that we have to, or here more given, noun that refers to the things that we feel but cannot touch or see are abstract noun, and these nouns are also the names of condition, state or concept. So fill in the blanks with a suitable abstract noun using the words given in the box. We want to, here are in help box actually 10 words are there. So the first one, timidity, privacy, truth, hardship, strength, freedom, decision, activity, friendship, justice. So first is that we want to have, gap is there, of speech. We want to have what speech? Freedom of speech. Okay, like this, my gap living. Okay, like this, do first you have to understand what is the meaning of the help box word, abstract nouns, whatever given. Okay, understand, then fill it in the proper. 10 sentences are there, I will give you in PDF to do. Next is countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns, you understand, countable nouns which are the names of the object that we can count. Pencil, man, book, copy, cycle, tree, etc. we can count. Okay, uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are the names of which things that we cannot count. Okay, we cannot count, like hair, like stars, sugar, rice, wheat, etc. Okay, they are uncountable nouns. And here in countable nouns there is a column here. They are countable nouns, they are divided into two: singular number, plural number. It's very easy to understand. Singular number which stand singular number. Okay, one person, like boy, girl, etc. And plural number which represents more than one: boys, girls, okay, books, tables, chairs. Okay, like this. Okay, and now next page, some information related to it given here. In the second sentence, glass refers to a material, it can be counted, and some more things about read it and understand. Okay, that is now completed. Chapter number 4 completed. That material noun exercise and abstract noun exercise I will give you in PDF to do. Okay, so today what to do, you have to write in the fair copy what means noun definition, common, proper, collective, material, abstract. I have already told you to write, again I am telling you. So definition, one two example write down and underline which one proper noun, which one common noun, which one abstract. Okay, like this. And exercise you have to do. If you are facing problem, just send the message to my personal number. Okay, thank you for today.